This tutorial will guide you through the everyday use of your new Creatista Pro machine and show you how to prepare delicious Nespresso black coffees. Fill the water tank with fresh potable water and turn the machine on by pressing the power button. Push to unlock the cup support to accommodate a smaller cup for a ristretto or an espresso. Place the cup under the coffee outlet. Lift the lever, insert a capsule and close the lever. Swipe up or down and tap to select your favorite coffee. You may adjust the brewing parameters by tapping this icon. Press to save these parameters. Press Start. Your coffee is now running and will stop automatically when complete. Lift the lever to eject the capsule. For any other coffee, swipe up or down to select another black coffee. Your Creatista Pro machine is now offering you Americano coffee thanks to the hot water function. Push to lock back the cup support and place the Americano cup under the coffee outlet. Lift the lever, insert a capsule and close the lever. Press Start. Your preparation will stop automatically. Lift the lever to eject the capsule. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Should you need any more information, please visit Nespresso.com.